Hi, I'm Gary, and this is an urgent message regarding a recent tropical storm, Filippo, that ravaged Mozambique, particularly hitting and causing some major damage on Brisa Beach Resort. I'm connected through family here, personally in awe of Brisa's beauty. I'm most of all concerned for the people and for their business that support so many staff members as well as the company's income, but most of all, to get it back up and running is vital. The storm has left devastating consequences, nearly destroying our beloved resort and leaving many families without livelihoods. We are in dire need of assistance to rebuild and support our employees who depend on this business. I've initiated a BackaBuddy campaign aiming to raise 1.5 million rand to aid in the restoration efforts. Please, I implore you to share this message with as many people as possible. This isn't just about subscribers or followers anymore. It's about rebuilding lives and sustaining a cherished business. Brisa Inner Sorrow holds a special place in the hearts of many, and your support, no matter the size of the donation, will make a significant difference. Thank you for your kindness and generosity. The link to the BackaBuddy campaign is either attached to this video, depending on which application it was sent from, or on the YouTube channel in the description.